Need to create a bootable USB drive? Here's a quick guide using command prompt. First, insert your USB pen drive into the laptop. Open command prompt as administrator. In CMD, type Diskpart and press enter to access the disk partition tool. Type list disk to display all connected drives. Select your USB drive with select disk X, replacing X with your disk number. Now type clean to remove all data from the drive. Type the command create partition primary and press enter. This will make the disk primary and ready to be made bootable. To choose the partition created as primary, type the command select partition 1 and press enter. Before making the disk bootable, you need to format it as NTFS if you are using legacy BIOS. This can be done with the use of a command format fs is equal to NTFS quick and press enter. Type the command active and press enter. This will mark the primary bootable partition as active. Type the command exit to exit Diskpart and press enter. Now close the command prompt window. Now, copy your bootable files to the USB and it's ready for use. And there you have it, your bootable USB using command prompt. Like and subscribe for more tech tips.